Okay guys, having a look at here, it's success criteria A and B, which is looking at expanding brackets with indices. Plenty of different types of examples we can run through here. First one we're going to look at is the distribution method. Okay, so we've got an example down the bottom here, and this just sort of sets up how it's done. Then we'll look at an example specific. Okay, so this here, okay, this says that we need to take A and multiply it by everything inside those brackets. Okay, so if we step it back and we go A times B, we get AB. And then if we take A times C, now that positive sign goes with the C, okay? A times C, we get plus AC. All right, so that routine there is exactly the same every single time as we're about to see. So question one I want to have a look at is, let's go 3 outside of B plus 4. Now that says we need 3 lots of all of this. Okay, so 3 lots of the B and then 3 lots of the 4. So 3 times B gets me 3B, and then 3 times positive 4 gets me plus 12. Okay, things will change a little bit when we start going involving things like this. Okay, 4 outside of a set of brackets with C subtract 3 in the middle. Now the reason why that's going to change, the first part's nice and simple. 4 times C gets me 4C. Then we've got to take that 4, and remember that sign before it comes with it. So 4 lots of negative 3. Now positive times a positive, this should just be a reminder, gives us a positive answer. Negative times a negative also gives us the positive. It's when those signs are different that we then get that negative outcome. All right, so at the moment we've got a positive here, and we're going to multiply it by a negative. So that would be this one here, and we can see that we get a negative outcome overall. So we're going to put subtract, so we've sorted that. Then we can just look at the 4 times 3, which gives us 12. Okay, so that is expanding brackets. All right, looking at the distribution method so far. Last one we're going to have a look at is going to involve some sort of indices. So we've got, let's go D outside of 2D plus 3. All right, now that still says exactly the same. We're going to take this D and multiply by everything inside the brackets there. So if we take D and multiply it by 2D, all right, so D times D, we know we've got D multiplied by itself twice, and we've got it multiplied by 2 as well. We then take the D and we multiply it by the positive 3. So positive and a positive will get us a positive outcome. So we're going to add D times 3, or 3 times D, gives me 3D. So that's a little bit of a look at multiply or expanding brackets, guys, with indices in that question 3 there.